another episode of Cooking with the Traveling Golfer. I'm with Chef Justin Archambault right here at Mission Inn. I got the key ingredient right here, a little Bacardi. Let's have at it.
All right. We're gonna get two going. We're gonna cook the shrimp in one, and we're gonna make our sauce in the other one. Put a little bit of oil in this one so we can cook our shrimp. Once it's heated, we'll go ahead and go into the pan. Should be good. Should give us a nice sizzle.
Oh yeah, nice size shrimp, local shrimp. Great.
Okay, go ahead and turn this up a little bit more. We're gonna start off with some Coco Lopez.
All right. I got your saucepan. I'm here. I'm here to help you, brother.
Sounds good. We'll go ahead and go in with our lemon juice. Go ahead and stir that up with give it a little shake. There we go. I'm going to go in with some brown sugar.
Oh, that's turning real good.
We're just going to hold it on that flame until we get a light simmer, and we're going to let it simmer for a moment. I want to turn them every couple of minutes so that they cook through evenly. They may not look like it, but they're going to get enough heat where they'll cook through thoroughly. We'll just let that set for a little bit, and then we'll be good. Okay, Tony, and here we'll go ahead and add the coconut. And here we go with a little Bacardi.
Whoa! The show!
Now we can just go straight to the plate. And then once these are all on, Tony, if you could sauce them, please.
And now the key part of this whole thing, the sauce, man. The real sauce, man.
Just a little parsley.
What a job!
Thank you, sir.
Chef Justin, cooking with the Traveling Golfer, right here at the Mission Inn.